Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the mass flow rate. We have the Hoover Dam 206 meters above the Colorado River. We have an ideal turbine, 100% efficient. And we want to find the mass flow rate when the power generated is 51 megawatts. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a height for the dam, 206 meters, carrying water, and the turbine generates 51 megawatts of power. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown, which is mass flow rate. So the height, 206 meters, turbine, 100%. We don't have to use it. And 51 megawatts converted to kilojoules per second. The reason why we don't use 100% because it's just power multiplied by 1. Step 3, find the mass flow rate formula. From the power formula we rearrange. So it's power divided by gravity multiplied by the difference in height, or elevation. So Z and H in this case is interchangeable. In other questions it may be different. Step 4, plug and play. So we've got 51,000 kilojoules per second divided by 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 206 meters minus 0 meters multiplied by the conversion factor to get it into kilograms per second. So your mass flow rate is 25,236.78 kilojoules per second. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool, and if you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, then click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.